guys. So we're working on this 2017 Subaru STI, and we're actually testing out the daytime running lights. Okay, so these are running 9005 LA series. As you can see, the DRL are active right now, but one thing we notice is it doesn't dim fully all the way to where normal daytime running lights would be. So that's one thing to take note of. Other than that, if you activate the high beam, it does get its full potential when active on high beam. You can kind of see it when it switches, but on this vehicle the low beams are actual LED already, so that's why they're a little bit different color. Also, it has this lenses tinted, but as you can see, go back to daytime, it slightly dims, but at least they're not flickering like other vehicles where when you replace the bulb that works with the DRL, they usually have a flicker in it. But as you can see, this one's not flickering, it just looks brighter than usual. Okay, so to get to it, it's pretty simple. You have your bulb right there. It's pretty much just a twist off, so you just pull it out, twist, and pop in, and you're good to go. So on your original bulb, you want to clip the, as you can see right there, you would just push it inwards, and then just pull out your bulb or disconnect the bulb, and then just pop in ours and you're good to go. Our bulbs are polarity protected, so if you connect it one way and it doesn't light up, don't worry about it. Just disconnect it, flip our connector over and reconnect it again, and that should work. Okay, so that's the other one over here. Plenty of room to access, so that's awesome. Very simple, nothing else added, just the bulb itself going into it. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, concerns, feel free to let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.